Hello, this video is going to look at optimal pollution reduction in a two-firm industry. The marginal social benefit of pollution reduction is going to be constant at 100. Firm A has a marginal cost of pollution reduction given by the following equation. Firm B has a marginal cost of pollution reduction given by this equation. What is the optimal amount of pollution reduction? The optimal amount of pollution reduction will occur where the marginal cost for firm A equals the marginal cost of firm B equals the marginal social benefit, or just the MB. So we're going to set the marginal cost of pollution reduction for firm A equal to the marginal social benefit. So setting those two equations equal and solving for Q subscript A, we get 60 units of pollution reduction. For firm B, we're going to set the marginal cost of pollution reduction for firm B equal to the marginal benefit and solve for firm B's pollution reduction. Here we find it's 50 units. Total pollution reduction in the industry then is going to be 110 units, 60 from firm A, 50 from firm B. We can look at an alternative solution. Another way of doing this is add up each firm's marginal cost curve horizontally. So we get these marginal cost equations. We're going to add up these curves horizontally. So to do that, we're going to solve for firm 1's marginal cost. We're going to solve this equation for Q subscript A. And we're going to do a similar thing for firm B's marginal cost. We're going to solve its equation for Q subscript B. So just rewriting those two results and now adding them up. So Q is just going to be Q subscript A plus Q subscript B. Making our substitutions then. And then recognizing here that the marginal cost of firm A will equal the marginal cost of firm B, will equal the marginal cost of the total pollution reduction. So substituting out MC subscript A for MC subscript T, substituting out MC subscript B for MC subscript T, and now solving this equation, or simplifying this equation first a little bit. So we get the right-hand side to look like this. And now solving for MC subscript T. Moving some things around. Got the marginal cost equation for the total pollution reduction in the industry. And now we'll set that equal to the marginal benefit. And solve for Q, the total pollution reduction in the industry between the two firms. And going through the algebra here, the total pollution reduction in the industry is going to be 110. We'll evaluate the marginal cost in the industry at 110 units of pollution reduction. So just evaluating the marginal cost equation for the total pollution reduction at 110 units. See the marginal cost is going to be 100. So we can take this 100 and plug it back into firm A's marginal cost. And we'll see that firm A would reduce pollution by 60 units, the result we saw earlier. And likewise, we evaluate the marginal cost of firm B when the marginal cost is 100. And solving for Q subscript B, we get the same result as earlier. We can look at all of this graphically. So where the marginal cost of firm B intersects the marginal benefit curve, firm B reduces pollution by 50 units. That is optimal. For firm A, the optimal amount of pollution reduction would be 60 units, where the marginal cost of pollution reduction for firm A intersects the horizontal marginal benefit curve. And so that's what we did in sort of the first solution. And the other alternative solution, we just added up both of these marginal cost curves horizontally, and we got this marginal cost for total pollution reduction in the industry, and the marginal cost here for the total pollution reduction in the industry intersects the marginal benefit curve at 110. And as we saw, this 110 is comprised of 60 units from firm A and 50 units from firm B. Okay, that's it. I'll stop here.